Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to start the new chapter, old chapter nutrition in plants, but we are going to we'll go through the summary and we'll go for the question answers because many of them have not submitted all the question answers. So because for your exam purpose, if somehow your exams came near FA1 exam, that time it will be get easy to understand all the question answers and it will be familiar for you to complete all the question answers. Okay, so let's begin the class with the answers. Only question answers. So tick the multiple choice questions. Page number you go 7. Tick the correct options. Which of the following is not essential for photosynthesis? As I have done already, oxygen. Don't tick mark this one. The first answer is oxygen. Second, carbon dioxide enters the leaves through stomata. The red end products of photosynthesis are oxygen and glucose. Which of the following turns blue back on reacting with iodine solution? Starch. Insectivorous plants trap insects to fulfill the requirement of nitrogen. Two organisms that live together to benefit from each other are called symbiotic. Now, true and false. Carbon dioxide is the end product of photosynthesis. False. All plants are autotrophs. False. Insectivorous plants trap insects to obtain the nutrients they are deficient in. True. Extra food present in the plant gets stored as starch. True. When a leaf is bleached, it does not lose its green color. False. Rewrite the statements correctly by changing the underlined words. The leaves of leguminous plants have rhizobium. It's wrong. The answer is roots. The green color of the leaves is due to the presence of protoplasm. No, it is presence of chlorophyll. CHLOROPHYLL. Food is synthesized by plants in the form of glucose. Don't write the sunlight. It is in the form of glucose. Chlorophyll traps carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Chlorophyll traps sunlight for photosynthesis. Mushrooms is an association between fungus and alga. Lichens is an association between fungus and alga. Mushrooms show autotrophic nutritions. Mushrooms show saprophytic nutritions. Okay. Mushrooms show saprophytic nutritions. SAPROPHYTIC. Saprophytic nutritions. Now this is 4. This is very easy. Okay. If I write everything, then you will not write that one. So this is you have to write only find out the examples and you have to write over 2 examples you have to write. So you have to you can easily find out from the book and write on it. Now this one very short answer type questions I will write in the copy. Okay. So question number 1. So question number 5. Okay. Question number 5A. Name the process by which green plants prepare their food. The green plants. Only answers I am writing. Okay. The green plants prepare their food sorry I have not written here the process will be there. Okay. The process by which green plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Number B, answers. Okay, only answer I am adding. What type of plant is cuscuta? Cuscuta is a parasitic plant. Number C, what are the plants which eat insects called? Plants which eat insects are called insectivorous plants. Insectivorous plants. Number D. What are lichens? Lichens are the organisms in which fungus and green alga live in association with each other. So I'll repeat the questions, okay? Name the process by which green plants prepare their food. The process by which green plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. Okay. Number 2 is, what type of plant is cuscuta? Cuscuta is a parasitic plant. Number 3, what are the plants which eat insects called? Plants which eat insects are called insectivorous plants. What are lichens? Lichens are the organisms in which fungus and green alga live in association with each other. These are called lichens. Now see, up to here I have already finished. 6 and 7 is left. So before I finish this class, I am telling you 6 and 7 you just do it and show me. If you can't able to write, in next class I will do it. But please try by yourself a little bit. Okay. So now I will go through the chapter one more time so that it will be easy for you. Now what are the chapters? What is nutrition? The process by which an organism takes in food, uses it for the growth and utilizes it to perform other vital activities is called nutrition. Now what are the modes of nutrition in plants? There are 2 types of modes of nutrition in plants. There are autotrophic and heterotrophic. Now what is autotrophic nutrition? Plants which make their own food which for their surviving is known as, they are called autotrophs. What are heterotrophs? Plants which cannot make their own food for their survival is known as heterotrophs. Now what are in autotrophic nutrition, what is the photosynthesis? What is the process? The process by which green plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, chlorophyll, water and carbon dioxide is known as photosynthesis. Okay, now importance of photosynthesis, what? Importance of photosynthesis is, photosynthesis enables green plants to prepare their own food which they use for their own growth and survival. The extra food gets stored in the form of starch in different parts of the plant. Heterotrophic, I make you understand. Parasitic plants, plants which depend on other plants for their food. Plants which depend on other plants for their food. Now saprophytic, you know. Insectivorous, I told you the answers. Lichens, I told you the answer. Just memorize the questions. Okay. Now we have finished. So these 2 will be your homework, and I hope you will complete it in time. So this will be your homework. So this is your homework. 13, this and this. Try by yourself. Please complete it. Otherwise, in next class, I will help it. Okay, but before you have to try and show me and send me on the WhatsApp group. Thank you very much.